Hey, planner babes, welcome back to Pretty Face Plans. This is Shonda and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing my latest jewel box from Isis Ella Jewels, and I just got this in the mail, I believe yesterday, and I was tired by the time it got here, so I didn't open it because she's been hyping it up on Facebook and Instagram, and now I'm about to hype it up in this video. So if you're interested in seeing what's in the latest jewel box subscription box, just keep watching. Box. I've already kind of been in it, opened it up, pulled the tissue paper out and kind of got it ready so that it's easy for me to take everything out. And I should have went on and took this out of the bag. Let's see. So this first thing that is in here, let's just look at this. This is a paper clip, a decorative paper clip. It says, enjoy this decorative paper clip as a planner, page marker, stylish office accessory, or to hold your place in a good book. Okay then. I have been reading a very good book. I'm reading Barack Obama's A Promised Land, and it is very entertaining, and it's very interesting to see how his perspective of what was going on his climb to the presidency is different from Michelle Obama's perspective, because I read her book, Becoming, maybe a couple of years ago. So very interesting, and I recommend both of those books. Okay, so this little paper clip is plastic. It's pretty sturdy. It has the little gem on it, and it indeed will make a very cute planner page marker in my planner. So let's set that to the side. Next up, let's get into this beautiful floral acetate. It's in black and white. Excuse me. Black and white florals, kind of stripy florals. That's so pretty. I can see it being in my planner somewhere. Or maybe I might put it in a picture frame and put a layer something on top of it. We don't know. We shall see. I will come back with what I decide to do with this. It's so pretty. Then next up, we have this beautiful sheet of acetate. Now this definitely is going in my planner when I do like some Valentine's Day things, like in the February part of my planner, because this is like little abstract hearts and then the little solid black hearts on here, and I can see laying that with some pink paper or some red paper and looking real cute in a planner. Real cute. So February I do Valentine, and of course I have to do some Black History stuff in my February section of my planner, but this will definitely make an appearance there. Okay, so next up, let's do the papers. And this first paper, let's see, this is like an abstract floral print in plum and blush. That's too much. And very pretty. Love the colors together. And then on the back side, it's like this squiggly line abstract pattern. Real cute, real cute. And those do look good together, those two. So this is the one side and the other side. Then the next paper is this geometric black and white pattern, and I think this is going to be my new office decor. I'm going to go with black and white and hit it with pops of blush or pops of pink, because and maybe a little bit of gold. Right now my office is blush and gold, so I'm thinking I want to go with black and white and blush, and that way the black and white can stay, and if I decide to change the color, it can be easily, you know, you can put any pop of color with black and white. And then on the other side of that sheet is these little florals or kind of leaf pattern. I don't know what that leaf is called or what that's, maybe a pansy. I don't know. But that's the other side of this. And those two look good together. I'm holding it up. That's the teacher in me. I was trying to hold it up and show it to y'all like that. But yeah, I've been in education for almost 20 years and that is just a habit. But anyway, those are those two pieces. Oh, okay. So here we have this blush geode pattern, kind of rose gold and blush. And so that right here, this is my office colors right there. Those two colors, that looks good together. I love it. And I think seeing those together kind of sold me on that. But anyway, so you have your blush geode, rose gold geode pattern on one side, and then some more of these abstract squiggly lined leaves on the other side. And this is kind of black and tan and beige and grage, which grage is a mix of beige and gray. So pretty, pretty, pretty. 6 pretty papers to enjoy in this box. Now, let's see what else. This box is chock full of goodies. So let's see, what is this? This is kind of a vinyl, I don't know, what is it, plastic jelly pouch. So I don't know, it has a pocket here, and then matching pockets on the side. I don't know, some kind of book cover. Oh, okay, I'm a little bit slow. Maybe it's to cover this affirmation book. Yes, that kind of fits right there. But anyway, it says, appreciate you, be you, keep moving. Reset your mind, be you, yourself. What does you say? Oh, appreciate yourself. Moving forward, center yourself. Okay, so you have a little pouch, and I believe this Daily Affirmation of a Spiritual Queen Volume 1 by Erica Bond. She's so excited about her book. I'm excited for her. But let's get into this book. And I believe, and if someone else is a Jewel Box subscriber and I'm all wrong about how this is supposed to work, please comment below and let me know. But I think that this is supposed to fit in here like this. Maybe, maybe not. It's kind of going in there. I don't know. I don't want to force it. I don't want to break it. Maybe that's not what that's supposed to be. So let's see what's in this book. So calm is a superpower. Be gentle. What can I learn from the issues I'm currently facing? So it's just a little journal. Be gentle. Why do you think it's so hard for you to let revenge go? So nice little writing prompts and quotes. Learn to be okay with people not knowing your side of the story. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. What are some unresolved issues you are facing in your life right now? Time to let that pen flow, Queen. What are some steps you can take to help you heal from those issues? This is very good. It's like a little mini self-help book. And I won't sit here and read through the whole thing, but yeah, I can see you digging into deep and getting to know yourself a little bit better using this book. So I love the little book and the pouch. Chock full of stuff because I'm still going. I've been through all of this stuff and I'm still going. So now we have a sticker kit, a weekly sticker kit. Love these colors. Your self-respect got to be stronger than your feelings. Keep moving forward. Spiritual Queen. Then you have some days of the week headers. Then other little box headers. Today, remember, important bills, notes, today, bill due, it's my time to shine. Your self-respect, oh, I said that. Okay, and then you have another one that is called It's My Time Now. And again, it kind of coordinates, the colors will work well, so you can use pieces of each kit interchangeably if you want to. Okay, then here you have glowing and growing on my goddess-ish. All I want is a clear mind and a happy heart. Never forget that you shine the brightest when you are in your darkest hour. That is cute. And these dolls of these girls. I love her little bun and braids. And I think it's interesting that they don't have eyes or noses. They kind of have mouth and eyebrows. Interesting, interesting. And then, so here are some of those dolls again from the kit. Just some more of each of the dolls that are in these two kits. Oh, she will heal thyself. Keep moving past your fears. I love her in her little shirt dress and with her cup of coffee. Then this sheet is called Goddess Formation. It says, I am a queen. I like her dress. I like her dress. I like her romper. Glowing and growing. Listen, love. Keep moving past your fears. Cute, cute, cute. And then this is the journal meme card. And it has some more of the girls from the kit. And it says, pleasure, passion, purpose. She is healed. She is favored. She is restored. She is spiritual. Spiritual queen, and trust your gut. And then finally, you have two beautiful journaling cards that I like to put these inside here. This one is another. These are both from a previous jewel box. And I might change that out and add these two in there. Let me just see real quick. Just put these two in there. Like that way. Or like it that way. Oh, it might be too big. Oops, I missed the back. But nope, fits perfectly. Cute. And I can have them sitting in my office or up here on my desk. Well, guys, that is it for this jewel box, and I must say it is one of my favorites yet. But I think I say that about every jewel box. I'll put that back together in a moment. Got all of these lovely papers. I'm going to have so much fun. My planner is going to be so cute. So, if you would do me a big favor and let me know what you like best, which item do you like best in this particular jewel box, do that. Comment below and let me know about that. Also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos, you know what to do. Become a subscriber. How do you become a subscriber? Hit that red subscription button. Also, go ahead and hit the gray notification bell. So whenever I post new content, you will be notified. It's been real, guys. It's been fun. I hope it's been real fun. I'm about to go and enjoy my jewel box, and I'll talk to you guys and see you in the next video. Bye.